Welcome y'all to the 412 Homestead. Tonight we're going to do some chicken, some fried potatoes, some garlic knots, and some pasta with Alfredo sauce tonight. So we're going to cook on the Blackstone. We're getting our griddle heated up here. We're going to dump our potatoes on. I want to get that oil hot, but I want to get everything seasoned up here. I think my hot spot's right in the center, and that's where I'm going to dump those potatoes down to get a good sizzle. So man, y'all, that sounds pretty. We're going to spread them out here, let them all get some contact with that heat. Hopefully we're going to get some crisp on it. I'm going to season it up with some salt and pepper. Got me some sea salt here. We're going to get us a little bit of black pepper over the top of it. We're going to let them go, but I think I got enough room on here. I'm going to start some chicken. I took some chicken breasts that I bought at the store, and I'll show you what I seasoned them up with. I seasoned them up with this Weber's Kickin' Chicken. And man, it smelled like it was going to be a little spicy. I added some of this Kinder's Ranch. Give it a little kick. I've also put some garlic salt. And let's see. I think I put something else on there. I can't remember. But I did, these chicken breasts were really, really thick. So what I did was I split them in half. I guess you could say I kind of butterflied them. I'm just going to put some on both sides of this griddle here. Make sure we got some oil on both sides. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay our chicken right on that griddle. We're going to crank that fire up just a hair. I cut these thin so it won't take them too long to cook. But man, these guys smell wonderful. I think we'll have leftovers. We can have lunch again tomorrow. Maybe company tonight. You know, I like to make enough that we've got plenty for in case somebody shows up that's hungry. I love to feed people. I hope you guys are having a good week. You know, we're thankful for everything we have, all this tornado devastation going on. Man, we feel so heartbroken for those people and helpless, but you know what we can do is pray for them, y'all, because they need our prayers. They need all the help that they can get, and I'm just hoping that you know, the lives that are lost is such a shame. I hope they knew Jesus. Probably trying to turn these a little early, but it's okay, you know. I don't know that there's any bad fried potatoes. But I seasoned this chicken up a little spicy. I can smell it. It's got a little kick to it. I think there's probably some red peppers in that kicking chicken from Weber's. And I'm gonna do some, if you say it, penny pasta with some Alfredo sauce. And we got some little garlic knots we're gonna do today. I got a little sheet pan that we're gonna put those on. They just need to cook. It says about 5 to 10 minutes on a sheet pan. Well, we're gonna try it here on our grill. But we're gonna let this stuff cook a little bit, and we'll check on it here in a few minutes. All right, y'all. We're gonna do some pasta tonight. I just got a bag of this Great Value pasta. We got our water hot. It's boiling. We're just gonna dump it right in the pot. We're gonna let that boil for just a little bit, and we'll make us some pasta. While we're waiting on our stuff to cook, I'm going to show you my Goodwill find. Y'all, I've led a sheltered life. I didn't know what I was buying here. I just thought it was cool. And it was $1 and I think 29 cents at Goodwill yesterday. And I thought, oh, Oklahoma, that's cool. I'm going to buy that. I don't know what I could use that for. So I get it home, and my sister-in-law says, oh, you got a jalapeno popper thing for the griddle. And I said, is that what that is? And she said, yeah, you put your peppers in there and you fill it full of cream cheese and put it on your grill. I thought I had a trivet, y'all. But isn't it cool? Oklahoma, got the seal on there. So for $1.29, that was my Goodwill find. I thought I'd share it with y'all. All right, y'all. We got it going on here at 412 Homestead. If you like the looks of this great food that we got cooking here, we're going to ask you to please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Help us to grow our channel, y'all. We're just two old people trying to get our YouTube channel up and going. And I wish you all could smell this because it smells wonderful. We thank you for the new subscribers that we've all have gotten. You know, slowly we're growing, but we appreciate each and every one of you. Hope y'all have had a good week. We've had a good week. Tomorrow's Monday. It's going to be a great day. Just some of the things we're looking forward to. We got a baby shower this weekend. We got a new grandson coming, and we're going to be having a baby shower, and we just might show you some of our living off the land decorations we've come up with. Y'all, with the price of everything that's gone up, we have got to do whatever we can to save money, and we're doing it out here on the homestead, so I don't think we got too much longer, y'all, and I think these are going to be good. All right, you guys, I think our chicken is pretty much done. We're going to move that over. We're going to get out our little pan, and we're going to put our garlic knots on there. We're going to try them out here on the grill instead of heating up the house. We're just going to try to bake them out here. See how they turn out. know this is probably not the way you're supposed to do it, but it's the way that I'm gonna do it this time. I got these Best Choice garlic knots. In this child-proof box. So we're just going to lay them right on our pan. I'm going to find my little Blackstone cover, and we're going to cover those over and see what they look like in about 5 minutes. All right, you guys, I think our chicken's done. We're going to go ahead and take that off the stove. And our potatoes are done. And this stuff is still so juicy. Going to save us some room for our potatoes here. I'll cut my heat off here. All right, let's get these potatoes off. Oh yeah. Our garlic knots are smelling wonderful over here. We'll check on them in a minute. Our pasta should be about done here in just a little bit. We're going to cover that over. We're going to try to keep some of that heat in. They browned up nicely. All we had to do was just warm them up, y'all. So we're just going to put them right on our plate with all of our goodies. And let everybody just serve theirself right off of this tray. Nice and brown, toasty brown. We're just going to set him right there. We're going to cut our fire and put our pasta together, and we're going to be ready for supper tonight. All right, you guys, this is a finished product. We got that chicken breast we did. We fried up some potatoes, did our pasta, did them garlic knots, and oh my goodness, it smells wonderful, y'all. We're getting ready to sit down and enjoy it. But thank you all for stopping by the 412 Homestead. We appreciate all of you.